Hello everyone and welcome to the new video. In this video we're going to be unboxing the S2 Black Extra Heavy Cut. Now we've got this from High Definition Detailing. Thanks to Shane for getting this out during these uncertain times, to say the least. But it's here. This isn't sponsored or anything. It's just you don't often get this sort of packaging with a polishing system, and what I was really curious to find out is the new Ninja pads from Scholl Concepts. So we're going to get this opened up. We haven't opened this yet. See, the seal is still intact. So let's get that open up. Okay, so we have the S2 Black, the typical style for a Scholl Concepts bottle. We have one microfiber cloth towel. It is edgeless, double-sided, so you've got the short pile and then a deeper pile. We then have a red Ninja pad and a blue Ninja pad. Excuse me if that's not blue, I am slightly colourblind. And that is it. So first things to see from this is it's still got the chamfered edge, which you've come to expect with dual action polishing pads, but these have little relief cuts, almost like PPF, so it'll be interesting to see how they react. Both of them are quite a firm foam. The red one is a little bit more coarse with a slightly more open cell structure. It's actually a spider pad. I don't know if you can see the cuts into that. So that's interesting. What's this one? And the blue one is just a standard foam pad. We will be putting these to the test. We'll be bringing in my slightly battered Volvo to give these a test on. The paintwork is not in the best condition, so it'll be a nice change of pace. And obviously during these times where most people are closed, gives us some time to do some product testing and see how we get on. So yes, this is the S2 Black Extra Heavy Cut. This is just an unboxing video and we will get back to you with some results as soon as we can.